Guys, I wanted to show you this toothbrush that the company sent me. I love this company. I've been using a ton of their pet products, and I think that they're all like very high quality, all work really well, and I trust the brand itself. It is vet recommended, and this toothbrush is great. My dog, I have this little dog that definitely needs her teeth brushed and doesn't always love it. And I like it because it's really long, so I could get in there and get like all of her different teeth. And it's dual-sided. So the bristles, you have like a small one and a bigger one. You can use whatever toothpaste that you have for a dog on here. And it's good for their gums. That's important for like people and dogs, is to like also get their gums. So I wanted to go ahead and show you, like, it's also like ergonomic. It's nice to hold. It feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. The bristles aren't falling out, and they have like different sizes. So you know that they're going to get what what they need. So this is my dog. She doesn't always love this, but she's a good girl. But she needs her teeth brushed. So it really does make a difference. She does have tartar on there, and you go ahead and you just get in there, and the way that it goes, you can really get in there and get their gums, and that's a part of what her issues are. So I think that works really nicely for her. It's something we have to do for her and make sure that she has like healthy teeth, and that is a big part of it. So I like that the small one can get in there. I mean, you could see it also got off the tartar. I don't know if you could see that. So it's dirty up on top, like it's not as clean as that one, and it's dirty up on top because it just that quickly got in there and got the tartar off. So I think it's easier than putting the little brush on your finger, even though they do make one that I do like, and I tend to use that as well. I just like that I can like really get in there and get those back teeth, get her gums, and get off that gunk in there. I feel bad when it's not clean. Because she's such a good dog. So I get in get that like tartar off. You can see like it's already coming off. So that was only, that was pretty quick. So if you're looking for a new toothbrush for your dog, or cat, or any animal, I guess, I would definitely go ahead and pick this up, especially because I think this part is really great for getting the tartar around the gums area.